So this is one of the old car in Acura. So the new car without the power steering pump. This is the power steering pump. The belt. They do not have an indicator light. This one has. That's the indicator right there. The arrow pointing in the square there. I don't find it in other Honda. They has an indicator with the one that has no power steering pump. There's a shorter belt. So for a newer car like this without power steering pump, the belt make sure that you keep track of how many mileage is on it. They say every 70 to 80,000 miles, replace it. And check for wear and tear. I don't know how you can check for wear and tear without taking it out, but that's the new one without power steering pump. A 2017 Honda Civic, and that's the serpentine belt right there. It's very tight. Try to go down there. And to change the belt, that's the this the tensioner. Move this one right there to move the belt. And look, there's no room. I mean, to around this way, don't have much room. And the AC, that's the AC. Go here, and it's like blocking this right there. So either you take out the bracket, or you have to move the AC line. I don't want to move the AC line because it may leak. So the only way to loosen this belt to get one of these. One of this there. This is a 17 mm socket, and it goes so here it goes to here. A regular one won't work, but this is designed for the belt and not much room. This is perfect one, perfect fit. See that? Fit right there. And to remove the belt, you move it this direction. See that? The belt gets loose. Okay, to release the belt, like this. We loosen it, and see the belt will come out, and just have to put a new one in. I'm not going to take it out, but show you how we release it. After you get the new one in, I'll show you the map, the diagram of how you go around it, and then you just do the same thing. And then that's it. You have to have one of these, and that's how you replace the belt. And start the car and test everything's fine. Let me start the car. Go all the way to the back. Okay.